Night Prayer. Through the thunderstorm, O Lord of hosts, as lightning splits the sky and thunder shakes the earth, I rest beneath your wings, unafraid. Let the storm pass, but let its fire leave strength in my soul. Michael, mighty guardian, stand beside me with your flaming sword. Gabriel, messenger of light, whisper peace into the trembling wind. Raphael, bring healing to the wounded spaces within me. When the night is loud with fury, wrap me in the stillness of your promise. Let no fear claim my heart, for even the storm must bow before your voice. Amen.